Hello friends, today in this video we will learn 20 lines on the moon. So let's start. The moon is like a big rock in the sky. It shines at night and helps us see. The moon orbits around the earth. It takes about a month to complete one circle. The moon is much smaller than the earth. It has no air, water, or trees. The moon's surface is rough and rocky. There are big holes called craters on the moon. The moon doesn't make its own light. It reflects the sun's light to shine bright. We can see different shapes of the moon in the sky. Sometimes it looks like a crescent or a circle. The moon is like a friend in the night sky. It helps us know when it's time to sleep. The moon is very far away from us. We can't reach it by walking or driving. Only special spacecraft can go to the moon. Astronauts have visited the moon and walked on it. They brought back rocks and pictures to share. The moon is a fascinating and amazing sight. Thank you for watching.